In this video, I will show you how to create dripping effects in Photoshop. If you follow along, download sample images, link in the description. First, go to Select, Subject. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate your selection. Click and drag your subject to your work area. Right-click and select Convert to Smart Object. Right-click your subject layer and select Rasterize. Go to your Dripping Effect panel. Select Magic Wand tool. Unlock the layer. Click the white area. Press Delete on your keyboard. With the Move tool selected, click and drag your dripping effect to your work area. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. This will allow your image or subject to maintain its quality, even if after scaling it down and up. Select the subject layer and create a clipping mask. Unhide the dripping effect layer. Press and hold Ctrl or Command and click on the dripping effect layer thumbnail. Go to Select, Inverse. This will invert the selection, meaning the opposite areas of your active selection is now being active. Select the brush tool. Right-click and select Hard Round Brush. Make sure opacity and flow are set to 100%. And make sure the foreground color is set to black. Follow this process. Select the Move tool and adjust the position of the subject. Select the layer above the background layer and create a new layer above it. Rename it as Shadow. Select the brush tool. Right-click and select Soft Round Brush. Make sure foreground color is set to black. Follow this process. Reduce the opacity to around 70%. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. You can also watch my other videos on this channel.